Craving a creamy matcha cheesecake? This one is rich, smooth and absolutely irresistible. First, crush the biscuits into fine crumbs. Mix with melted butter and sugar, then press firmly into the pan. Bake the crust until lightly golden and set. Beat cream cheese and sugar until smooth, then add matcha powder. Add the eggs one at a time and mix gently. Add sour cream, flour, vanilla and salt, then mix until silky. Pour the matcha batter over the cooled crust and smooth the top. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius until the edges are set and the center gently wiggles. Once chilled, spread a thick layer of smooth white cream on top. Cover the top and sides with fine green cake crumbs for that beautiful finish. Slice and reveal those creamy layers. This matcha cheesecake is ready to enjoy.